Hey guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. Today we're going to be working in our garden here a little bit, and we're going to try to put up our trellis for tomatoes. So I got a couple different ways I'm going to do this. The jelly beans, I'm going to actually string up some poles here, and we're going to go a little bit taller than normal. And then on the Romas and the other sauce tomatoes, we're going to put up some welded wire fencing and some T-posts. So hey, if you guys are new here, welcome, and thanks for sticking around. We do lots of cool homesteading things here on this channel. We do a lot of gardening, do maple syrup, canning, preserving, cutting wood. We got meat chickens. Hey guys, if you like this video, give me a big fat thumbs up. And if you're not already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out here at Gagne Farms to get the word out. And you guys can hit that little bell down below for notifications. You guys know when our next video is going to be posting. So let's get to trellising some tomatoes over here. Alright, got my T-post all pounded in here, and I know it's not straight or anything, but I was just actually going by where the tomatoes landed here. What I'm doing, I'm going to put up one piece of fencing for every 2 rows here. So this is probably not optimal, but we're going to give it a shot. I think it'll work. And then my jelly beans here, these are that cherry tomato. I've got some poles I'm going to stick in the ground, and we're going to do it almost like a hops bind. Rolling out some wire. Need 12 foot. I'll stand right here. I'll hold that. You good?
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here we got our tomatoes trellised up. It's a little bit flimsier than what I was hoping, but we're gonna give it a shot and see if it works. I had some welded wire fence laying around, and I wasn't gonna go to the store and get a whole bunch of other materials. Materials right now are super expensive, so I'm just kind of using what I got laying around, and we're gonna give it a shot. Here we got our jelly bean tomatoes. They're cherry tomato, and they're indeterminate, so we're gonna put some poles in the ground here and then run a string across, and then we'll drop lines down from there and anchor it to the ground and let them climb up the string. So it's gonna go a little bit taller. I'm hoping to get about 10 feet out of them, and we're gonna give that a shot and see how it goes. So here's our little hop yard in the back of the barn, and I'm going to repurpose these poles right here, and I'm going to use those for our jelly bean tomatoes. I'm going to end up putting some longer poles in here, and get those hops trained up a little bit taller. Those are probably about oh, I don't know, 9 feet tall or so right now, but they really need to be a lot taller than that. So we're gonna pull these poles and go put them in the garden. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. I was worried that was gonna be really stuck in the ground. Let's see if we get just as lucky with this guy. Gotta be careful, our hops are starting to climb. That guy there should be way up in the air by now. Okay. Quick here, I just want to kind of show you guys. See the end of that pipe there? So I just last year when I made these, I just notched it with my Sawzall quick, and we'll end up putting our coconut core through here and out here, and we'll just tie it around. Right now we're gonna go dig a hole. Well, there we go with our jelly bean trellis. So we're just gonna drop some baler's twine or some twine down and stake it in the ground and let these guys climb up. Should work out great. Well, there we go, guys. We got our trellises in here for tomatoes, and I think it'll work. It's a little flimsy, but I'm gonna actually grab another T-post or two, put them in the middle there, and then we got our big trellis here for our jelly bean cherry tomatoes. So I think it'll work good. It's something neat to get done here real quick, and I think we got her knocked out. Alright, guys, there's our jelly bean trellis, and I think it'll work out good. I just had some of these little hooks here for my Agribond, and I use those, just staples. I guess they're not hooks, it's a staple. So just an Agribond staple, I put it in the ground, tied up a little baler's twine to them. Should be good. Well, there you go, guys. We got our tomatoes trellised up here. Everything's looking real good. You know, this is just a quick how-to of using some things that I've got around the house. We just got some of this. This is just galvanized pipe here, some coconut core I picked up at Home Depot, and just some twine I think I got also at the depot. So then I had some welded wire fence and a few extra T-posts here. And if you got a Homestead, who doesn't have a little bit of extra fencing and some T-posts? So we just used that up, and I think everything's going to work great. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, hanging out. If you like this video, give me a big old fat thumbs up. And if you're not already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out here, keeps things going on the homestead, and keeps you guys informed of cool new videos coming out. So make sure to hit that bell down below for notifications. All right guys, we'll catch you on the next one.